Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow, very cool ceiling light for the first one. So she did kind of like a paper mache technique for this. Very, very cool. And this is also something different. Alright, so next up we have some type of vase design. So she's using clay for this, doing an upcycle. Oh, it is a piggy bank. Okay, I was thinking, why is there a slot at the top? But I guess that's because it was a piggy bank. Decorative way to save some change. So then we have this table DIY. Oh, wow. I really like the shape of this. I feel like one of the biggest decor trends of 2023 is geometric shapes. Like we're seeing so many different uniquely shaped objects. Definitely a statement piece. Very nice. And then we have another IKEA hack. So this looks like they might also be doing a table. I feel like whenever I see someone grabbing a cutting board, you know they're going to be doing a table. Wow, look at this bold green color she's using for this. Very cool, nice and simple DIY. And then we have this vase design. So this uses styrofoam. Oh, a little plate. Wow, very cool idea. And then she put the crystals in there. Wow. Very nice. And then we have this DIY that features like those candy jars. Oh, wait a minute, they charged extra for the lid? That is insane to me. I've bought a couple of these before and I can't believe they charged extra for the lid where she got this from. Wow, that came out amazing. I love the way she painted it with the gold and the white. It looks so high end. It looks like a nice like ginger jar, and those can cost like hundreds of dollars, so I guess she didn't mind spending $2.99 for the top. Okay, so we already kind of saw the inspiration for this one. It's like some lighting for the wall. So she's bending the wire to do the shaping. I'm guessing this is for like the kids' bedroom, like a cute little like nightlight or something. It's a cute idea. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas. If you did, please be sure to like the video and I will see you in the next one.